Here we are, downtown Tampa at the Bro Bowl. Down this famous run, toboggan run. Get some major speed, go over the banks. I'm closing up on you. Yeah, that's a fun run. Catch up with you guys. I want to show you guys some obstacles here. It's really fun here. They got like a little concrete bowl. I don't know, you classic metal coping. It's probably like 5 feet high maybe. I'm gonna drop in, carve around, go over the bump. There's an upper deck there. I'm gonna go over that bump, drop down. There's some stairs, drop offs, go over there. Let's check it out. Almost fell. Over the bump. Down a drop off. There's a double here, a little roller, some more skaters. Super fun place. There's all kinds of boxes and drop offs, ramps. Kind of hard to do this while filming. And over here, they've left the original bumps, right? Well, first off, let's meet our new skaters. We met our two friends today.
Hey guys, I'm Alex.
Alex, good to meet you.
Hi, I'm Chris.
Chris, it's fun to meet you guys. So much fun to skate with. And who do we have here? Allie. Nice to meet you.
Yeah. And I'm Sweaty.
And you're Sweaty Jazzy.
This is like what's left of the original Bro Bowl.
Oh, really? That's cool.
It was the first public skate park in Florida.
It was?
It was built in '79, and then they redid it like how many years ago? A couple years ago? I think a couple years ago.
Really?
Yeah. And this was the first skate park ever on the historic registry of historic places.
Wow, you checked your facts.
I checked my facts. But it's a lot of fun. But yeah, look at now. See, look.
Yeah, you can still skate it.
Yeah, good job. Or you can run it.
You can run it, whether you have skates or not.
This is historic. It's a piece of history, and it's a fun place to skate.
Yeah, it's one of the last skate parks in the '70s, from the '70s too, right?
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Pretty cool.
Well, I'm glad you.
Tampa's a pro skating city, so that's really nice. Come to Tampa.
Come to Tampa. Well, thanks you guys for checking out our channel. See you next time. Bye.